Oh, there we go.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
How about me?
Well, I think it's finally safe to come out now. Looks like they've already eaten another bird. Wine! Ooh, good beer. Let's over here. Oh, that was disgusting. All right, look at water. Yeah. What the heck is that?
Mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes?
Yeah.
What is... Well, sorry about that.
That's okay.
That would be alcohol abuse.
Yeah, we can do it.
Thank you
Oh,
very
no,
much.
no, it's up. No.
Okay, that's fine.
That's good. That's
really
good. Please don't, ma'am.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, go away. All right, what is this? What is this? Oh my God! Hooray! Oh, humanity! Oh! All right, let's go there. Stop. I'll go over and take these rolls. Alright, so anyway, so we found out that Uncle Harry is dead. And, yes.
You want to see my fish?
No.
Why?
You'll eat them.
Because I'm filming.
Well, I can take you there.
Ah! Don't touch the hair. I've been all day working on this hair. Oh.
I can't take you here. Okay. You can wake up now.
You done?
This looks silly.
It looks silly.
Yeah.
Your hair looks silly.
Well, I could make a cool hair.
You make cool hair? I can help you make cool hair.
Well, I do it all by myself.
Want me to help you make cool hair?
No.
Come on, let me help you make cool hair.
Okay.
Ah!
Okay.
Well, there's cool hair 101, all right? Yeah, let's go back to the,
Okay, good kid.
What? Yes! Yes! This would be sadly, I don't want to be next to this meal.
Pumpkin pie?
What? How did you say?
Pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin pie pie?
Pumpkin poo pie.
Who made the perfect pumpkin pie pies? Wait a minute. I think I know. Hold on. Yes, it was you! It was you! You made the perfect pumpkin pie pies! No, I didn't. Yes, you did. No, I didn't. Yes, you did. You made the perfect pumpkin pie pies!
Here
Did
it is.
you?
Here it is.
Yes, I did.
Here you
And
are.
look, she is oh! Oh!
And it's right over here.
Yeah.
I think I'm done filming now.
Well,
Goodbye.